In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Keep for your grocery list. Google Keep is a fantastic tool for organizing tasks, and it's especially helpful when you need to manage your shopping list in a smart and efficient way. Let's dive in and explore how to get started. First, you'll want to open your Google browser. You can do this on your computer or mobile device, as Google Keep is accessible from virtually anywhere you have internet access. Once you're at the home screen, look for the Google Apps icon. It's the small grid-like icon usually found in the upper right corner of your browser window. Click on the Google Apps icon, which will display a menu with various Google services. Scroll down until you find Google Keep and select it. If you don't see Keep immediately, you can type Google Keep in the search bar and it should appear. This will open the Google Keep interface where you can start creating your grocery list. Now, let's create a shopping list. Within the Google Keep interface, you'll notice a large plus icon that is labeled Take a Note. Click on this area and begin typing out your grocery list items. This is a flexible space where you can input all the things you need. Make sure to list out all the items you frequently purchase or those specific to your upcoming needs. Once you've noted down your items, you can further organize them using the indent function. This tool helps you create sections for different categories such as fruits, vegetables, or dairy. Simply highlight the desired items and use the indent function to create these sections. Then you'll be able to drag your list items into the appropriate category, keeping everything neatly organized. When you finish typing your list, click on the Close button to save your list. This will ensure your information is stored and available the next time you open Google Keep. Next, customize your settings for a more streamlined experience. Click on the settings gear icon located in the top right corner of the Google Keep page and choose Settings. Inside the settings menu, make sure to check the box for Move Checked Items to the bottom. This feature automatically moves items to the bottom of the list once they're checked off, helping you easily see what's left to purchase during your shopping trip. Once you've set up your list, you can open it anytime by clicking on it. If you want to share your grocery list with others, use the Collaborator feature. After opening your list, click on this feature and enter the email of the individual you want to share with. Click Save to add them as a collaborator, allowing them to view and edit the list as needed. Finally, set up reminders by clicking on the reminder icon. For instance, if you often shop at the same location, create a location-based reminder. This will alert you about your grocery list whenever you're nearby, ensuring you never forget to pick up those crucial ingredients. And there you have it, a straightforward method to effectively manage your grocery shopping with Google Keep. Thank you for watching and happy shopping.